Hiring a contractor for home repairs can be a significant decision, and it's essential to approach the process carefully to ensure that you get quality work at a fair price. Here are steps to guide you through the process. 1. How to hire a contractor for home repairs. Do your research. Start by asking friends, family, or neighbors for recommendations. Online platforms like Angie's List, Yelp, or HomeAdvisor can help you find local contractors with good reviews. Verify the contractor's credentials. Ensure they have proper licensing, insurance, and any relevant certifications for your type of project. Get multiple estimates. Contact at least 3 contractors to get written estimates. Be specific about the job's details, materials, and timeline. This will help you compare costs and avoid overpaying. Check references and reviews. Ask for references from past clients and verify their satisfaction with the work. Look up online reviews to assess the contractor's reputation. Understand their experience. Ensure the contractor has experience with the specific type of repair or renovation you're doing. It's better to hire someone specialized in the task. Review their portfolio. Ask to see photos of their previous work or even visit a completed project if possible. This gives you an idea of their craftsmanship. Negotiate terms and scope of work. Make sure the scope of work is clearly defined in a contract. This should include the expected timeline, materials, and costs. 2. How much should you put down? Industry standard. Typically, contractors ask for a down payment of 10 to 20% of the total job cost before beginning work. For larger projects, this can go up to 30%. However, you should not have to pay the full amount up front. Consider payment milestones. A good payment structure is to break payments into milestones, such as an initial deposit, 10 to 20%, a second payment once the project is halfway done, and a final payment when the job is completed to your satisfaction. This ensures that both parties stay accountable. Avoid overpaying. If the contractor asks for more than 30% upfront, it could be a red flag. Only pay for materials or services that are already completed. Don't pay for the entire project in advance. 3. What to do if the contractor doesn't complete the job. Communicate. If the contractor is not completing the job as promised, the first step is to talk to them. There could be a legitimate reason for the delay: unexpected weather, material delays. Be clear about your expectations and deadlines. Review the contract. Refer to the contract you signed, especially the timelines and work completion clauses. The contract should also detail the process for resolving disputes. Document everything. Keep a record of all communication, receipts, and photos of the unfinished work. This will help if you need to escalate the situation. Offer incentives for completion. In some cases, contractors may respond better to an additional incentive to complete the job, like paying the final installment upon completion. This can motivate them to finish. Send a written warning. If the contractor continues to neglect the work, send a formal written notice outlining the missed deadlines and the specific work left unfinished. This may prompt them to take action. Check the bond or insurance. Some contractors are bonded, meaning there's a surety bond in place that can cover unfinished work. You can inquire with the bond provider or the contractor's insurer. Seek legal action. If the issue persists, you may need to consider filing a complaint with a consumer protection agency or taking legal action, depending on the severity of the situation. By following these guidelines, you can mitigate risks and ensure that your home repair project is completed efficiently and professionally.